Want to pin a chat on Viber for your iPhone to keep important conversations easily accessible? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to pin a chat, you will need to open the Viber application on your iPhone and navigate to your main chat list. You must then find the specific conversation that you want to pin to the very top of your screen for easy viewing. Unlike Android, on an iPhone, you will gently swipe from the right side to the left across the chat you wish to pin. As you perform this swipe gesture, you will immediately see a purple pin button appear on the left side of that chat row. You simply need to tap on that pin button to instantly move and lock the chat to the dedicated pinned section at the top. You can pin multiple chats, allowing you quick access to your most frequent or important discussions on your iPhone. And that's how you can pin a chat on Viber for iPhone, using the simple swipe gesture to prioritize your conversations. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.